All right, just finished up installing the front end parts with the Garage Products bushings, and everything is nice and solid and tight, and it's now under its own weight on the front. Haven't put the back tires on yet, but everything's nice and solid up here. Nothing's moving, no creaks, no nothing. So the back should be the same. And then I was able to get the primary and secondary done. So installed primary with the new belt, and the secondary, the torque specs on the primary was 96, and the torque specs here were 40, but I did like 50 just in case. I used a torque wrench, yes. Yeah, guys, so new Rhino axles, new Garage Products bushings everywhere, new primary, new belt, new plugs. I mean, you name it, we've done it. Air filters cleaned up, ready to go. So once I install the air box and the clutch cover, we will go take it for a little spin, break the belt in, and see what it'll do. So we'll come back when we go do that.